Today I'm going to be reviewing YMRFW's oval blue light blocking glasses. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Now, why do I have a pair of women's glasses? Well, I was curious in this whole blue light blocking because when you're looking at your monitor, which I do, I've got 3 here plus a teleprompter, it's got blue light and it's supposedly not good for you. So these glasses block that blue light and it's better for you. I'm just going to show you what these look like, even though I probably wouldn't wear them. I mean, I can definitely see the blue light is different. It's more of like a yellowish glow on it, but they feel comfortable, and I would probably try one that is for men. But what's really cool is when you get this, they give you a little blue light and a card to test it. Now watch, if you do this on here, we're going to do this, it's actually going to color. Look at that. So that's what you're protecting. I guess that's what they're trying to show us. This gets 4.1 stars. And 400 plus of these were bought last month. So people are buying them. You know, if you're looking at a monitor all day long, you can wear these polycarbonate HD lens, get the protection you need, and you can also wear them outside. So I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.